In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use FileZilla to connect to your web hosting server, specifically through Hostinger's FTP. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a website, as it allows for seamless transfer and management of your site's files. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about installing FileZilla. FileZilla is a popular open source FTP client that you'll use to transfer files between your computer and your web server. To get started, head over to the FileZilla website and download the client suitable for your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, there's a version for you. Once the download is complete, you'll want to follow the provided installation instructions specific to your OS. After installation, launch FileZilla and familiarize yourself with its interface. You'll see that it's quite user-friendly, with its split pane layout that shows your local files on one side and your server files on the other, making it easy to drag and drop files between them. Next up, obtaining the right FTP credentials from Hostinger is crucial. These credentials include your FTP host, username, password, and port number. To find these, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the hosting section. Here, select your domain and then look for FTP accounts or a similar tab. You'll find all the necessary information you need to connect via FTP in this section. Remember, your FTP credentials are sensitive information, so handle them with care and never share them publicly. Now that you have your FileZilla installed and your FTP credentials ready, open up the FileZilla application. Here's where you'll enter the credentials you've just gathered from Hostinger. At the top of the FileZilla window, you'll see input fields labeled host, username, password, and port. Enter the corresponding details you found in your Hostinger account. Make sure each piece of information is correct, especially the hostname and port number, which ensures that you're connecting to the right server. Double check your username and password too. They are case sensitive. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Quick Connect button. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a series of messages in the log window below, indicating that a connection has been successfully established. You're now connected to your Hostinger server. With the connection established, you can now upload files. You'll notice that the left side of the FileZilla interface displays your local files and directories. Navigate to the files you wish to upload, and then simply drag and drop them into the appropriate directory on the right side, which represents your server's file structure. Keep an eye on the transfer queue at the bottom of the window to ensure your files are uploading correctly. And there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to install FileZilla and connect to your Hostinger server using FTP. With these steps, you should be able to effortlessly manage your website files. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.